Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate your financial planning with personal capital, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Personal Capital website. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a password. Verify your email by following the link sent to your inbox. Once verified, log into your Personal Capital dashboard. Click on Add Account to start connecting your financial accounts. Select the type of account you wish to add, such as bank, investment, or retirement accounts. Enter your login credentials for each financial institution as prompted. Allow Personal Capital to securely access and aggregate your financial data. After connecting your accounts, explore the dashboard to view your overall financial picture. Navigate to the dashboard section to see your net worth and asset allocation. Next, go to the Budgeting tab to set up your monthly budget. Input your income sources and expected expenses for the month. Regularly update your budget to reflect actual spending and adjust as necessary. Use the Investment Checkup feature to evaluate your portfolio performance. Check for asset allocation and see if it aligns with your financial goals. Utilize the Retirement Planner to project your retirement savings needs. Input your current savings and desired retirement age for personalized projections. Review the Fee Analyzer to identify hidden fees in your investment accounts. Use the insights from the Fee Analyzer to make informed investment decisions. Explore the Cash Flow section to track your income and expenses over time. Set financial goals within the app to guide your planning process. Regularly log in to monitor your financial progress and adjust your strategies. Ensure you take advantage of Personal Capital's budgeting and planning tools. Familiarize yourself with updates and features to optimize your financial management. Leverage the insights provided to enhance your overall financial strategy. With these steps, you can effectively automate your financial planning with Personal Capital. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.